I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an unboxing and install of this Glueless 9x6 pre-plucked, pre-bleached knot wig from Isee hair. And let me tell you, Isee hair always comes through with the Glueless wig. This is their kinky straight texture, and let me tell you, it looks gorgeous, like so beautiful. And like I said, this wig is 100% glueless, you guys. Glueless wig. So we are going to go ahead and get into this video. Of course, I'm going to link this wig in the description box, but let's go ahead and get into this video. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, we are going to go ahead and unbox this wig and see what we're working with inside of here, you guys. So let's get into it. So this wig is from Isee hair, and let me tell you, they always have some of the most beautiful packaging. Like, it eats. I love this beautiful pink bag they put it in. Like, as you can see, it's a little baggy. And inside of here, it's just the most beautiful little box, you guys. So here it is. Isee hair, got a little glitter on the side. Let's go ahead and open it up here. So we are actually gonna sit the wig to the side, but first we're gonna look at all of these gifts we get inside of the package. So here are some reusable combs, an extra elastic band, just everything you need to make sure this wig is very long lasting. And inside of here, you have a bonnet. Another bonnet. Here is a set of mink lashes. Very beautiful. These are actually really nice lashes. I feel like a lot of companies do not give you really pretty lashes. Those are pretty lashes. You get 2 wig caps, 1 HD cap and 1 regular wig cap. And also, here is an extra elastic band and extra combs inside of here. So let's go ahead and actually look at the wig. Like, I've tried a few wigs from Isee hair now, and every time they absolutely eat. They eat the girlies up every time. So let's actually look at it, take this netting off. And here is the wig, you guys. It is very beautiful. I really, you know, the yaki texture really eats, you guys. This is their Yaki Straight Wig, and let me tell you, like, it's really beautiful. It has like a thickness that like normal straight wigs do not have, and I do like the extra texture it gives. So it is pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and glueless. So as you can see, you get a nice long middle part, but you can still change it over to a side part if you want to do that. But as you can see, the lace is already cut. You don't have to cut your lace. And it is pre-plucked. So it looks good, you guys. It looks good, but I wouldn't expect anything less from Isee hair. I feel like they eat every time. And of course, it does have an elastic band already hooked into it. So you have 3 elastic bands in case anything happens. So that is fantastic. So first we're gonna spray this wig with a little bit of lace tint to make it a little closer to my skin tone. But you guys, look at this. Look at all this parting space. This is a lot of parting space. This is a 9x6. So I do feel like 9x6 wigs are like that perfect middle ground when you don't want as much work as a 13x4 or a 13x6, but you still want to be able to switch it around, do a side part, do a little updo when you have a 9x6. You still want to be able to switch it around, which you can't really do too much when you're doing a 4x4 or a 5x5. So I do feel like the 9x6 just eats. It's like that perfect in between. So we're just doing a little lace tint. And I'm gonna blow dry it so it can really adhere to the lace. I think I missed a spot. Bam. Okay, and now let's put this wig on. Okay, now, and it's already eating, you guys. I look like Pocahontas. Like, I look really pretty, you guys. Like, it's already eating the girlies up. It looks like I just got my hair done. Already, just slapping this wig on. So let's kind of mold it down a little bit, make it sleek, make it hit. So bam. Sleek. And I'm going to hit it with the hot comb just to get it really laid and flat. But this wig is just so easy to install, you guys. It was really that simple. Just add a little makeup to the wig to make it a little closer to your skin tone and put the wig on. It's just that simple. I feel like everyone needs a good glueless wig in their collection. I feel like everyone needs a glueless wig of every texture, you know? Because if you're like me, you like to switch it up. And one thing I do love about these wigs too, it being a 9x6, you get a nice long middle part. I love a long middle part. I tell you all the time, I love having a nice long middle part. So let's go ahead and do this. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. Okay. And we are going to add a little makeup to the part just to make the part really jump out and just bow. Like, this is really cute already. I do feel like this is really straight but textured. It eats. It really does eat. I feel like Isee hair just kills the glueless wig game, period. Out of all the glueless wigs I've tried, I think Isee hair they always get it right. The presentation is top tier. The hair itself is top tier. Like, they always get it right, in my opinion. I'm sorry. They do. Like, this is cute. It's actually really nice and fancy. Like, nice length, 24 inches. It comes right under my boobies. Very cute, you guys. I love it. And honestly, it's just that simple. But of course, you could do a nice little updo if you want to do an updo with this hair. Like, do something like that. Do a half up, half down. Something like that. It doesn't need baby hair at all. But if you like baby hair, you can always add you a little bit of baby hair on the wig. Like, it really eats, you guys. It really eats. Let's add a little more makeup right here just to make sure it just gives. Like, very cute. It definitely has a very natural feel to it. I feel like a lot of people would not be able to tell that this is not my real hair and it is a glueless wig. Like, I feel like this looks like my hair if I ever got it like a, what is it called? A silk press. A silk press. Obviously, I've never gotten a silk press, but I feel like this is how it will look. Very cute. I love it. Love it. Very cute. But once again, you guys, like, it was just so simple to install. Like, I feel like I should show you all some more. Like, I feel like, should I end this video or what? Because, like, as you can see, you can part it a lot of different ways. You could do cute little cornrows. Like, a 9x6 is really top tier, you guys. But these wigs where the knots are already bleached, the lace is already cut, because cutting lace is actually really hard too sometimes. The knots are bleached and the wig is pre-plucked. Like, they really eat. It was just a fantastic idea. I love it. But once again, this wig is from Isee Hair. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Of course, I'm going to link it in the description box. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Look at that, so cute. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.